Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to add external widgets for scripts or even custom embeds, Wix lets you insert HTML code easily. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you how to actually add custom HTML code to Wix in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, make sure everything is looking good, you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go all the way to open wix.com on your favorite browser. So basically all you're gonna do is go to this website builder, wix.com. Make sure basically you already have an account there. If not, just sign up using your email address and password. They're gonna give you this dashboard. As for now, we're gonna go all the way to the editor by tapping on design site. All we're gonna do now is wait a couple seconds till it fully opens, so we can actually access the menu, the editor, tools, and every other thing there basically. So we're gonna wait as you see here, preparing your site. It's done. Now we're gonna go and check the plus icon or add elements. As you see, multiple options: images, buttons, stripe, decorative, gallery, menu and anchor, contact forms, and we have this embed code basically. So tap it, then come here to this embed HTML. Then basically choose this option, then drag it onto your page. Go and paste your HTML code, click enter code and paste your custom HTML. Then adjust the size and position. That's basically normal. Then save from here and publish. And basically that's it. So thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.